we ever been on this road before?
I don't know.
I don't
It's a beautiful drive. We're in town, sort of in town. We're on like a country road, and we were going to go one place and found out the road was closed, so we're kind of winging it. So
We are winging it.
how are you today? I'm trying.
I have been better. I'm tired. Lots of poor eating, I think. All this birthday celebration is really taking its toll on me. So, and then yesterday, a friend comes over a few days after my birthday with a cake and ice cream. And you have to have a piece, but
The rest of it went in the freezer,
yes,
and we're going to share it with some friends here.
yes, we are.
Okay. So I'm trying something new today. You might notice, our sound here in the car is always horrible. And so I said, oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring out the little phone thing and try that to see if that helps. Because I don't know why. We get so much road noise. Oh my gosh.
This entire
gosh.
country is under construction.
Oh,
Everywhere you go,
Yeah.
you get stopped for construction.
Yeah.
And ZZ Top here is going to let us through now.
He did look like ZZ Top.
Yes. Either that or Billy Goat Gruff. I'm not sure which.
Anyway, we're fine. Yeah, he's right. His birthday this year, we maxed out on sweets. I mean, it was just, we had his birthday dinner and had a cake from Costco that was so rich. It was a chocolate cake, and
It comes with this insulin syringe attached to the outsides.
yeah, it was pretty rich. And I mean, I had a half a piece. Now, people, I love cake, and we had to send the cake home with the people that came. It was too rich, so we had that. And then Val brought over a cake, and that was,
Very rich also.
Yeah.
Delicious, but very
Yeah.
rich.
But we are cleaning up our food act. We are. We've been the last couple days getting that cake out of the equation. We have been doing quite a bit. And what we've decided to do is we need to start eating a little cleaner and a little less. We're going to depend a little bit more on plant-based meals. And first, yeah, you agreed.
I didn't agree.
Yes, you did.
Do you have it in writing or on tape?
I don't. But
Then I didn't say it.
But we have decided we're going to have a few more, meals that have got beans and rice and grains and vegetables and all that. Because first of all, we have a climate issue, people. Oh, I say people. He doesn't like that one. Friends, we have a climate issue, climate crisis, and one of the big ones, of course, is animals. Farming, along with a lot of other stuff. Am I getting too political?
Oh, no. Just as long as you don't get into all those people in Alabama with Sharpies.
Okay. Oh, God. All right. That'll be cut out. There's going to be a lot that's cut out.
Those people are doing.
Anyway, so we're going to start eating a little differently. And we think that will help in a lot of different ways, right?
Probably help with how we feel.
Oh my gosh, now we're in another right. This is Skyline. I said to him,
to
the right. I said, if we wander up and down this road, I think we're going to end up at Skyline. And guess what we ended up at?
Skyline.
Exactly where I wanted us to go. Look at that old
The
farm.
thing is right to Skyline Burgers.
No, we're not going to Skyline Burgers. I'll tell you
Skyline
what.
Burgers is an iconic place, though, where you can still get a burger basket with fries and one of the old style milkshakes in the aluminum containers.
Yeah. Where they blended in that thing that goes up and down. Blended. Okay, so we're rambling a lot here, but we're well. We hope all of you are well. We're so happy that you check in with us like we check in with you. And we love you all. Don't we tell them we love them?
Yes, we do.
And we're just having so much fun with life.
And thanks, everybody, for all the nice birthday wishes. I really appreciate that. My age, I appreciate everything, like breathing.
Stop. He did get some lovely, birthday wishes. So we're very, very happy that you extended those to him, and thank you. And so I guess that's
And
okay.
if anybody's thinking about sending me a new Mercedes, it's not too late.
Isn't he funny? All right, everybody. We'll see you later. I've got to do something weird here, so I'm sure the end of this video is going to be terribly jumpy. But all right, people. Yeah, I did it again. I don't mean to call people because you're not just people. You're our friends. All right, friends. What now? What were you going to say?
Nothing.
Oh,
Aren't our friends people?
well, they are, but you know what I mean. Okay, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.